Jah guide I through the night. Baby, I love you so. Like the rivers gently flow through the valleys of my soul, where the healing breezes blow. Baby, I love you true. In everything I do, from the earth beneath my feet to the sky so wide and blue. The sunrise paint the hills in gold, hear the ancient stories nature told. Every leaf sings songs of unity, roots run deep in love and harmony. I walk barefoot on sacred land, feel creation in my hand. Every heartbeat, every breath, life is stronger than all death. So let the inner wisdom grow through the trials and the tears. Still your light will always glow. Baby, I love you deep in the silence when we sleep, where the spirit softly speaks and the soul its promise keeps. Close my eyes and drift within, far, far away from noise and sin. Find the truth that always stays in the quiet, in the haze. No more chains upon the mind, leave illusion far behind. Peace is not a distant shore, it lives in us forevermore. To the sea, we are one humanity. Different faces, different names, but the love is still the same. Let the children laugh again, wash away the fear and pain. Build a world where hearts align in this truth so pure, divine. Baby, fill behold the light within. Behold the stillness calling. In the quiet of the morning sun I rise. Golden rays paint truth across the skies. Every breath a prayer I never spoke. In the silence, all illusions broke. Roots beneath my feet, I feel the ground. Ancient rhythms in a timeless sound, flowing like a river to the sea. All I seek is already in me. Behold the light that shines in you, so pure, so bright, so true. No walls, no fear to hold, just love. Behold the oneness we all share in every breath of air. Let go, let spirit unfold, just love. Behold, through the forest where the wise winds sing, every leaf reveals the sacred ring. Circle of life in harmony. Nature speaks in unity. Mountains standing strong yet still, teaching hearts to bend their will. Not to fight, but to align with the rhythm so divine. Behold the light that shines in you, so deep, eternal truth. No chains for hearts so bold, just love. down now. Ease your mind. Breathe in life. Let it unwind. Cool down the pace. Let your spirit align. No need to rush. Take your time. Feel the earth, hear the breeze. Life flows better when the heart at ease. Cool down the pace, let the pressure release. In the stillness we find true peace. From the roots to the sky so wide, let love and light be your guide. Sunrise glow on the mountainside. Bird song echo, no need to hide. River keep flowing, teaching the way. Patience reveal what words can't say. Step by step in the rhythm of life. Less of the worry, less of the strife. Nature whispers soft and low. Take your time, let your spirit grow. Too much noise in a restless world. Too many thoughts in the mind unfurled. But silence deeper than any sound is where the truth of self is found. Let go anger, let go fear. Clarity comes when the path is clear. In every breath, a sacred space. Slow it down now, cool down the pace. Cool down the pace. Let your spirit align. No need to rush. Take your time. Feel the earth, hear the breeze. Life flows better when the heart at ease. Cool down the pace, let the pressure release. In the stillness we find true peace. From the roots to the sky so wide, let love and light be your guide. Children laughing in golden light. Simple joys make the soul feel right. No competition in the trees. Every leaf just sways with ease. Unity rising heart to heart. Every ending a brand new start. One love growing naturally, like waves that roll in harmony. Slow it down. Feel the vibration. Deep meditation, inner elevation. Moonlight shining on quiet seas. Truth revealed in moments like these. No disguise, no need pretend. The journey within will never end. Gratitude for breath and soul. Every piece that makes us whole. Walk in balance, walk in grace. Peace will follow when you slow your pace. Slow your pace. now. Roots run deep, trouble come, but so does light. Here comes trouble on the morning tide, whispers in the wind, nowhere to hide. But I stand firm like the ancient tree, roots in the earth, soul set free. Clouds may gather dark and white, but Jah light never leaves my side. In every storm there's truth to find, a deeper peace within the mind. Here comes trouble, don't you fear, love and wisdom always near. Through the fire, through the rain, peace will rise again, again. Here comes trouble, let it pass like shadows fading on the grass. Hold the faith and you will see, trouble sets your spirit free. Rivers flowing teach me grace, every trial got its place. Mountains stand through time and change, still and strong they rearrange. Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, one heartbeat across the land. Unity, the healing sound, lift it up, let it resound. Here comes trouble, don't you fear, love and wisdom always near. Through the fire, through the rain, peace will rise again, again. Here comes trouble, let it pass like shadows fading on the grass. Hold the faith and you will see, trouble sets your spirit free. Breathe in, breathe out, let the silence speak. Every burden, every doubt is just the soul you seek. Slow it down now, hit the drum, heartbeat of creation hum. Nature calling, soft and true, healing starts inside of you. Sun will rise on broken ground, turn the lost to sacred sound. Every tear a seed we sow, into wisdom we will grow. No more war inside the head, let forgiveness be your bread. Feed the spirit, calm the soul, that's the way to make it whole. Here comes trouble, don't you fear, love and wisdom always near. Through the fire, through the rain, peace will rise again, again. Here comes trouble, let it pass like shadows fading on the grass. Hold the faith and you will see, trouble sets your spirit free. Trouble come and trouble go, like the tide and undertow. Stay rooted, let it flow, only love is what we grow. Jagai, Jagai, peace inside. Here comes trouble, let it be, it only brings you back to me. In the stillness of the morning light, give thanks, give thanks. Love still living, whispers of the truth untold. River flow, it cleanse my soul. Guide me back to what I know. Footsteps on this sacred ground, heartbeat, drum, creation sound. Through the silence, peace I found. In this love I'm safe and sound. I'm still in love with the light inside. Still in love, no need to hide. Through the storm, through the tide, love remain my only guide. I'm still in love with the life I see. Every breath a melody. In the roots I stand so free. Love is all that lives in me. Oh, na 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 na. Mountain high and valley low, everywhere the blessings flow. Seeds of truth the elders sow. Now inside my heart they grow. No more war within my mind. Leave the heavy past behind. Open eyes and now I find every soul and love aligned. I'm still in love with the light inside. Still in love, no need to hide. Through the storm, through the tide, love remain my only guide. I'm still in love with the life I see. Every breath a melody. In the roots I stand so free. Love is all that lives in me. Oh, na 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 na. Still in love, still in love. Heartbeat, drumbeat, nature speak. We listen deep. Ocean breeze upon my face. Feel the touch of Jah's embrace. Time and space, they slow their pace. Love reveal its endless grace. Every leaf and every tree singing perfect harmony. What you give is what will be. Love the root of unity. I'm still in love with the light inside. Still in love, no need to hide. Through the storm, through the tide, love remain my only guide. I'm still in love with the life I see. Every breath a melody. In the roots I stand so free. Love is all that lives in me. Sweet love, still in love, na 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 na. Sweet love, still in love, even when the night feels cold. Still in love, let the inner fire glow. Still in love, with the truth we come to know. Still in love, and it's deeper as we grow. Jah Jah, guide I through the storm. Roots deep like the earth, forever strong. In the stillness I hear your voice, calling I own, calling I own. Let love flow freely, no hate inside. Guide my steps on this narrow way. Give thanks for life every day. Jah Jah bless me, let my soul be free. Like the rivers run to the endless sea. In your light I stand, no fear in me. Jah Jah bless me eternally. Morning sunrise over distant hills whispers truth in the silence still. Birds them sing in harmony, a gentle reminder how life should be. No rush, no fight, just breathe and know every seed you plant will grow in the soil of love, in the art so true. What you give is what comes back to you. Jah Jah bless me with a peaceful mind. Let love flow freely, no hate inside. Guide my steps on this narrow way. Give thanks for life every day. Babylon noise try to cloud my sight, but I hold on strong to the inner light. Meditation keep me aligned. Truth and wisdom elevate the mind. From the roots to the leaves, we all are one. Children of the moon and sun, different faces but the same soul. Unity is the ultimate goal. Jah Jah flow and the breeze so light. Nature teach I wrong from right. No need greed when the earth provide. Give thanks daily, feel the joy inside. Step by step on this sacred ground. Lost and found, but still profound. Every trial make I stronger now. Jah never fail, that I avow. Jah Jah bless me with a peaceful mind. Let love flow freely, no hate inside. Guide my steps on this narrow way. evening breeze. Jah live in the roots of every ancient tree. Jah live in the fire that will never fade. Jah live in the love that we were born to make. Jah live, Jah live forever and ever. In the garden of creation, every leaf has a reason, every root has a purpose. Open your mind, feel the healing. Legalize it, let the herbs grow free. From the mountains high to the deep blue sea, it's a healing of the nations, naturally. Legalize it, set the people free. Legalize it, let the wisdom rise. See the truth shining in the children's eyes. No more chains, no disguise. Oh, legalize it, let the spirit fly. In the soil where the sunlight plays, roots run deep through ancient days. Nature speaks in silent ways, truth revealed through Jah praise. From the hills to the valley low, sacred seeds that freely grow. Man-made laws don't overstand what was given by the Creator's hand. Legalize it, let the herbs grow free. From the mountains high to the deep blue sea, it's a healing of the nation, one love rising over all. Break the chains, watch them fall. Hear the earth's eternal call. Not for greed, not for gain, but to ease the stress and pain. Balance life, restore the flow. Let the sacred river grow. Legalize it, let the herbs grow free. From the mountains high to the deep blue sea. It's a healing of the nations, naturally. Legalize it, set the people free. In the breeze, in the trees, hear the whisper through the leaves. Life's a cycle, take it slow. Feel the energy as it flows. Unity in every breath. Overcome the fear of death. What is pure can never hide. Truth is living deep inside. Legalize, legalize. Let it rise, let it rise. Free your mind, free your mind. Free your soul, free your soul. Let the healing take control. Legalize it, let the herbs grow free. From the mountains high to the deep blue sea. It's a healing of the nations, naturally. Legalize it, set the people free. Legalize it, let the wisdom rise. See the truth shining in the children's eyes. No more chains, no disguise. Legalize it, let the spirit fly. Let it grow, naturally. Set the people truly free. In love, in light, eternally. In the stillness of the morning light, I feel your presence. In every breath, in every heartbeat. Love everlasting. Love me forever, through night and day. Guide my soul, never drift away. In your light, I find my way. Love me forever, come what may. Love me forever, pure and true. In every sky I see you. From the earth to skies above, all I am is shaped by love. When the wind whispers through the trees, I hear your voice in the melodies. In the river flow, in the ocean wide, your spirit walks right by my side. Mountains high and valleys low, everywhere your blessings grow. In every seed and every flame, life and love I want to say. Let my heart be still and know, in your grace I rise and grow. No more fear, no more divide. Truth and love walk side by side. Love me forever, through night and day. Guide my soul, never drift away. In your light, I find my way. Love me forever, come what may. In the silence of my mind, peace is what I come to light shining, cleanse the heart within.
No chains, no walls, no fear, only love is here.
Feel the rhythm flow, let your spirit glow.
In the now we are free, one love eternally. Love me forever, through night and day.
Oh,
Guide my soul, never drift away. In your light, I find my way.
oh,
Love me forever, come what may. Love me forever, hold me close, through the highs and through the lows. In your truth I stand strong, in your love I belong. Nature sings a sacred song, reminding us where we belong. Not apart, but all as one, children of the rising sun.
let compassion lead the way.
In every word we choose to say,
Plant the seeds of harmony, grow a world in unity. Love,
forever, forever. Love me forever, through night and day.
the night and day.
Guide my soul, never drift away.
Never drift away.
In your light, I find my way.
I find my way.
Love me forever,
Oh,
come what may. Love me forever, strong and wise, shining through these human eyes. From within and from above, all is one and all is love. Love me forever, love me forever,
forever.
forever, forever. One love, one heart, one soul.
Many rivers,
Many roads,
still we rise,
still we grow.
Jah light guide everywhere we go. Ooh, yeah. Na 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 na. Many rivers to cross, but I'm not lost inside. Even when the storm comes, I hold the light as guide. Through the valleys of doubt, where the shadows may creep, I plant my faith strong in the soil so deep. Hear the wind whisper truth through the ancient trees. Every leaf sing a song of humility. From the mountain so high to the ocean wide, there's a voice within saying,
Let your soul be your guide.
many rivers to cross,
Still I walk in peace, heavy load on my back, but my spirit release. One love in my heart, let the healing flow. Through the highs and the lows, still the love will grow.
many rivers to cross,
But I'm never alone. Jah Jah light
Sometimes I find what the world can't say. Meditation reveals truth in a deeper way. No division, no hate, just a higher plan. Every woman, every child, every single man. See the rivers connect like the human race. Different paths, same source, same sacred space. Let the ego fall down like the setting sun. Rise again in the truth, we are all one.
Many rivers to cross, still I walk in peace. Heavy load on my back, but my spirit release. One love in my heart, let the healing flow. Through the highs and the lows, still the love will grow. Cross it, cross it.
River of sorrow,
River of pain,
wash me clean in the healing rain.
guide I, guide I.
Never let me stray. Through the jungle of life where the wild things roam, I remember my roots, I remember my home. Not a place on a map, but a state of mind where compassion lives and the heart is kind. Every trial I face is a stepping stone. Build a stronger foundation for the soul to grow. No matter how far or how wide I roam, Jah love bring I back to the inner throne.
Many rivers to cross, till I walk in peace. Heavy load on my back, but my spirit release. One love in my heart, let the healing flow. Through the highs and the lows, still the love will grow.
Many rivers to cross, but I'm never alone.
Jah Jah light make a way, bring me safely home.
Through the fire and rain, I will
Stand up strong, unity is the key, we all belong.
many rivers,
Many roads,
many roads,
still we rise.
till we grow.
Love is the bridge,
Let it overflow.
oh yeah. Queen Majesty, light of the morning, shine on I. Guide I through the storm. In the silence of the rising sun, I hear your gentle call. Whispers through the trees and wind, embracing one and all. Golden rays upon my face, your presence soft and true. In every breath of life I take, I give my thanks to you. From the mountains to the oceans and the rivers flowing free, there's a sacred kind of rhythm beating deep in you and me. No more chains upon the spirit, no more fear to hold us down. Queen Majesty within us all, wearing wisdom as a crown. Queen Majesty, shine your light on me, guide my soul to serenity. In your love I find my peace, let the war inside me cease. Queen Majesty, pure divinity, roots of truth and unity. From the earth to passion, burn away the fear and pride. Queen Majesty, awaken all the truth we hold inside. Queen Majesty, shine your light on me. Guide my soul to serenity. In your love I find my peace. Let the war inside me cease. Queen Majesty, pure divinity, roots of truth and unity. From the earth to eternity, you are life's sweet melody. In the stillness, I remember I am more than flesh and bone. In the heartbeat of creation, I am never alone. Queen of mercy, Queen of grace, every soul has sacred space. Let forgiveness flow like rain, wash away the fear and pain. Hear the drums of ancient calling echo through the sands of time, carrying the truth of ages in the universal rhyme. Every culture, every nation, every color, every creed, bound together by the spirit planted from the same seed. Let the herbs of healing wisdom soothe the body and the mind. Let the songs of liberation free the hearts of humankind. When we walk in love and justice, when we stand in what is right, Queen Majesty will guide us with her everlasting light. Oh, Queen Majesty, shine your light on me. Guide my soul to serenity. In your love I find my peace. Let the war inside me cease. Queen Majesty, pure divinity, roots of truth and unity. From the earth to eternity, you are life's sweet melody. Majesty, oh Majesty, shine your light, set I free. Queen Majesty, ever living, ever loving, in the whisper of the wind, in the beating of the drum. We are one, we are one, we are one. Peace and love shall overcome. Queen Majesty, guide I home.
Yeah. Rock stone steady, heart never sway. Roots deep down, no storm can blow away. I found a silence in the rising sun, where the rivers say we all are one. No chains can hold the spirit free when truth is living inside of me. Mountains whisper ancient songs, teach the soul where it belongs. In every leaf, in every breeze, Jah light flowing endlessly. I'll be standing like a rock stone, firm in love, never alone. Through the fire, through the rain, peace inside will still remain. Rock stone, foundation strong like creation. Rock stone, guided by the most high vibration. noise try cloud the mind, but still I seek and still I find a sacred place beneath the skin, where all the wars can never win. Brothers, sisters, hear the call. One love rising over all. Different faces, same divine. One heartbeat in space and time. I be standing like a rock stone, firm in love, never alone. Through the fire, through the rain, peace inside will still remain. Rock stone, foundation strong like creation. Rock stone, guided by the most high vibration. Rock stone, stand firm. Jaga, da-da. No fear in the storm, no fear in the night. In a fire, shining bright. Nature teach me how to flow, like the river steady go. No resistance, no despair. Life is love, we all must share. Plant the seed and let it grow. What you give is what you sow. In the soil of unity, grow the fruit of harmony. I be standing like a rock stone, firm in love, never alone. Through the fire, through the rain, peace inside will still remain. Rock stone, foundation strong like creation. Rock stone, guided by the most high vibration. Rock stone steady, roots deep, ready. No shaking, no breaking, only love we creating. Serious times, but the spirit still rise. Through the storm we find the light inside. Breathe in peace, let your heart realign in these serious times. Whoa. Morning sun touch the hills so bright, whispers truth in the early light. Bird song carry a sacred call, reminding us we are one and all. River flow with a gentle grace, wash the fear from the human race. In the silence the soul can see what we are and what we're meant to be. Serious times, but we hold the line with a humble heart and a conscious mind. Serious times, still the love will shine. Through the darkness, Jah light divine. Serious time, hear the earth's soft cry. Still we rise, never asking why. Serious time, let the truth unwind. Peace and unity for all mankind. sound. Lost souls searching to be found, but deep within there's a spark so pure, ancient wisdom forever sure. Mountains stand through the test of age, nature write what we can't erase. If we listen with open ears, we can heal all the pain and fears. Serious times, but we hold the line with a humble heart and a conscious mind. Serious times, still the love will shine through the darkness, your light divine. Children laugh in the golden rain. Simple joy is the deepest pain. In their eyes there's a clearer view of a world that is pure and true. Plant a seed, let it grow in time. Faith and love in each simple rhyme. If we walk in humility, we create a new reality. Serious times, but we hold the line with a humble heart and a conscious mind. Serious times, still the love will shine through the darkness, your light divine. Serious times, but we still believe in the air, something we can't see. Peace will rise like the morning sun. In the end, we are all one. Serious times, ooh, serious times. From the past we rise, through the fire, through the pain. Still we stand, still we love. Slavery days fading away, but the lessons still guide us today. Through the struggle we found our way. Now we rise in a bright today. Slavery days, no more chains, only freedom flowing through our veins. From the sorrow grew strength and grace. Now we shine with a higher faith. Ships on the water, tears in the tide, stories carried none could hide. Roots torn out but still they grow. In every art the truth will show. Through the darkness came a light, spirit strong in endless fight. Though the road was filled with pain, love and hope still remain. Slavery days fading away, but the lessons still guide us today. Through the struggle we found our way. Now we rise in a bright softly through the trees. Unity is what we need. Plant the love, remove the greed. What was broken can be healed when the heart is truly revealed. Rise again, rise again, from the pit to the end. Heals what time has seen. Wash the past, renew the dream. Rivers flow and carry pain, leaving only love again. Hand in hand we stand as one, underneath the same bright sun. Different paths but same true goal. Peace of mind and unity of soul. Freedom rise, freedom rise. Open eyes, no more fear, no more pain. Love will always remain. Every day fading away. Every day fading away. Every day fading away. But the lessons still guide us today. Through the struggle we found our way. Now we rise in a brighter day. Every day, no more chains, only freedom flowing through our veins. From the sorrow grew strength and grace. Now we shine with a higher faith. From the past we grow, in the light we glow. Love will guide every soul. Switch it up, from the noise to the silence, from the rush to the stillness. Let the heart realign. Switch it up, let your spirit rise from the pressure and the disguise. Breathe in light, let the truth wake up. One love flow when you switch it up. Switch it up, hear the river call. Feel the healing in it all. Drop the weight, let your soul adjust. Find your peace when you switch it up. Too much running in a circle maze, chasing shadows in a smoky haze. Mind stay heavy but the soul feel dry. Still searching for a reason why. Step in the forest where the breeze so kind. Leave all the worries of the world behind. Hear the whisper through the ancient trees. Life slow down in simplicity. the pressure and the disguise. Breathe in light, let the truth wake up. One love flow when you switch it up. Babylon noise try to steal your way, fill your vision with the restless day. But the truth lives in a quiet place, deep inside where you find your grace. Ocean tide got a rhythm true, moonlight shine in a different view. When you tune to the natural sound, lost vibrations can be found. Slow it down with your heartbeat, every step is a sacred beat. No more fight, just alignment. In your soul there's refinement. Oh, switch it, lift it higher, higher consciousness. Even through all the pain and sin, no division when the truth revealed. Only unity we truly feel. Mountains stand through the test of time, still and strong in their silent climb. We can learn from the earth below. Root yourself and you'll start to grow. Switch it up, let your spirit rise from the pressure and the disguise. Breathe in light, let the truth wake up. One love flow when you switch it up. Switch it up, no more living blind. See the beauty in humankind. From the heart, let the love erupt. Healing starts when you switch it up. Switch it up, gently now. Let it go anyhow. No control, just release. Find your way into peace. Switch it up, let your spirit rise. See the world through awakened eyes. And nature's voice never interrupts. Feel the love when you switch it up. Switch it up, let the fire burn. Every lesson is there to learn. From within, let the light erupt. Eternal peace when you switch it up. Switch it up. One heart from the start. Who knows the path the river flows? Who knows your feet? Oh yeah. Who knows the path the river flows? Who knows the seeds the wind has sown? In silence, truth begins to grow. Only the heart knows. Who knows? Who knows where the spirit goes? Through the highs and the lows, only Jah knows. In the roots of the earth, where the pure love grows, take it slow, take it slow. Who knows? Morning light through the bamboo trees, whispering truth in the gentle breeze. Every leaf got a story to tell, from the mountain high to the ocean swell. Footsteps fall on the ancient ground, heartbeat moving with the steady sound. No rush, no fear, just let it be. Life unfolding naturally. Who knows? Who knows where the spirit goes? Through the highs and the lows, only Jah knows. In the roots of the earth, where the pure love grows, take it slow, take it slow. Who knows? City noise tried to cloud the mind, but the inner voice is never blind. Close your eyes, let your soul expand. Feel the rhythm of a higher plan. Brothers, sisters, we all the same. Different faces, but one true flame. Let it rise, let it shine so bright. Unity is the guiding light. No need to fight, no need to run. Under the moon, under the sun, everything flows in perfect time. Truth revealed in the silent mind. Who knows? Who knows where the spirit goes? To the highs and the lows, only Jah knows. In the roots of the earth, where the pure love grows, take it slow, take it slow. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? River run, but it never strayed. Still it reached to the ocean bay. So your life got a destined way, even when the skies turn to gray. Plant your thoughts like a healing seed. Grow in love, not in fear or greed. What you give is what you receive in this life. Just believe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? reggae. Heartbeat of the earth, from the rivers to the mountains. One love, one people, one word. World of reggae, let the vibration flow from the roots deep down to the soul we grow. Peace and love is the seed we sow in this world of reggae. Let the whole world know. Oh, world of reggae. Hear the drum and bass, feel Jah light in every heart and place. No division, just one human race. In this world of reggae, we rise in grace. Early morning sun light up the sky, birds them singing like a lullaby. Gentle breeze whisper truth so clear, telling every soul your path is near. From the soil where the ancestors trod, every step is a prayer to the Most High God. Through the struggle and the tears we face, still we find our strength in love and grace. World of reggae, let the vibration flow from the roots deep down to the soul we grow. Peace and love is the seed we sow in this world of reggae. Let the whole world know. Babylon walls may rise so tall, but truth and righteousness outlast them all. In the silence of the inner mind, that's where Jah presence you will find. No need for hatred, no need for war. What we truly seek is worth much more. Unity bind us heart to heart, from the very end back to the start. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the healing now begin. Every nation, every tongue, sing together. We are one world of reggae. Let the vibration flow from the roots deep down to the soul we grow. Peace and love is the seed we sow in this world of reggae. Let the whole world know. Word of reggae. Feel the harmony,
Living life in love,
and unity
set your spirit free.
eternally in this world of reggae. We just be river keep flowing to the endless sea, like the life force moving inside of me. Mountains standing through time so long, teach the people how to stay strong. Every leaf and every grain of sand is a part of Jah creation plan. If we listen, we will understand. We are guardians of this sacred land. In the twilight, when the day is done, still we shine like the evening sun. Gratitude for the breath we take. Every moment is a chance to wake. No more chains on the mind and soul. Love is the power